Can't remember who you've blocked on Discord? Or trying to unblock someone, but can't find the list anywhere? Here's exactly where it's hiding, because Discord's moved this more than once, and a lot of the guides out there are already out of date. Open Discord and click the gear icon next to your username in the bottom left corner to open your settings. From there, go to messaging permissions and then click ignore and block. Scroll down and you'll see a section called blocked accounts, with a full list of everyone you've blocked and an unblock button right next to each one. Here's a shortcut worth knowing too. If you go to your Friends tab and click on All or Pending, you'll actually see a little prompt that says, looking for accounts you've blocked or ignored, with a link straight to that same settings page. So if you ever forget the exact menu, that's your backup route in. One thing worth knowing either way. Blocking someone doesn't delete your old messages with them. Your chat history stays right where it is. You just won't get anything new from them unless you unblock. And that's it. That's your full block list on desktop. If this saved you some scrolling, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.